Hi guys, this is Yvon Donko, Senior Consultant at CRM Asset Consulting. We are specialized in Microsoft technologies, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Dynamics 365, and more. So in this video, I will show you how to set business rules to conditionally display fields. Okay, so if a field has a specific value, we can decide to display other fields or not. So that is what I'm going to show you. It is very simple. So I have an entity here, project with roles. Okay, so this is the role. If the role is data contributor, I should have another field display, content submission. Okay, so this is a lookup value. It works on option set and also on lookup. Okay, so it works well also for lookup. So if the role is data contributor, then the content submission is displayed, as you can see. Okay, I did that with business role and it's quite simple. Okay, so we have to go on advanced setting, customization, customize the system. Okay, it is loading. It's loading. Okay, fine. So entities, I look for project with roles. Project with roles. Okay, here it is. I go on the forms. Okay, under project with role, I click on forms. So this is the form. Okay, information main. I open it. Okay, the first thing to do, this content submission is displayed only when the role is data contributor. So you need to double click here and uncheck the visibility, the default visibility, because by default this box is checked. Okay, you need to uncheck because that field will be conditionally displayed. You uncheck the default visibility and you click on OK. That is the first thing to do. Next, once you achieve that, you now go on business rules. So this is the business rule I'm going to show you. The business rule I created, I double click to conditionally display that. So from here is quite simple. We have our condition. Okay, I give a name, check role, entity project with role. So the source is entity, the field is the role field, equal, type is value. Okay, so data contributor, and you apply. Okay, and you apply. So now you need to go on component and you will drop a component here. Okay, you will drop a component here and you will set the visibility. Sorry, my face is hiding, but it's quite simple. Let me reduce it so that you see it very well. Okay, now it is better. So let us come back here. Okay, check role, project, entity, role, equal, value, data contributor. Okay, So role equal data contributor, that is the condition. Now you need to drop a component here. Okay, show, you drop a, let me deactivate this, and then I'm going, once I finish, I will activate again. It's not an issue. Deactivate. Okay, so let me reduce this again. Oh, no, I don't want to reduce that one. It is this. Okay, so the condition is there. Okay, and once you finish, always click on apply before to click somewhere else. Otherwise, your choices will not be stored. Okay, not be saved. So you click on apply, then you need to go on component. Okay, set visibility, you drag and drop it here, and display name, show content submission. Very important, you should always select meaningful names to the name of your component. Okay, so the entity is project with role. I need to show, okay, to show the content submission. If the condition is true, I need to show. So content submission is yes. I click on apply, and you have also the otherwise. Okay, the if yes, and this is the if no branch. Okay, so if no, I need to hide. Okay, so you click here and set visibility, you put it here. Hide content submission, visibility of content submission set to no. Okay, and you also need to clear, set default value, you clear the content. Okay, set. Okay, so this one, you put it here, clear content submission, because if you don't, you modify your choice, that field previously had a value. Okay, that is why when it's not true, you need to hide and also clear. Okay, in order to avoid storing fake data in your entity, you clear it, and so content submission, clear and apply. So this is simply how you can build a business rule to conditionally display a field. So it's very simple. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can use custom JavaScript to conditionally display tab. Okay, so to display tabs, we cannot use business rule, we rather use custom JavaScript. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time for another video.